The backward and left curve is relative to mental patterns of behavior, and the forward and right curve are more emotional patterns of behavior. So what we find basically is a backward curve deals with a person who has been taught to internalize and withdraw from what they feel, so they're more passive. We find that a forward curve is more of a driven pattern of behavior, so they're more assertive and they can also be aggressive. Both patterns can be aggressive. A left curve is far more logic, therefore more mental, and it's how a person deals with hurt. A left curve person will internalize, rationalize, over-process the hurt, withdraw from the hurt, and deny the hurt. A right curve person is dealing more with an emotional pattern. Oftentimes, right curve people have very high standards. They tend to be perfectionists. And of course, they also seek female parent approval. So all four of these basic patterns tell a story. And when you combine the four patterns in a study on the patient, you immediately have way more information than just looking at a spine and seeing if there is a local dislocation or a compressed disc or arthritic spurring. It gives us far more information to help a person who's struggling to find their way.